In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument, cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle and let's just get into this half wig, okay? Let's just get into it. Listen, it has taken me almost like a decade to get to this point where I don't want to fool with a lot of lace. Like, it's annoying, the glue. After almost 10 years, tapped out, okay? I'm tapped out. I got this half wig from Isee Hair Company. I worked with this company before. I'm going to link the playlist with all the other wigs that I've tried from their hair. But they're like one of the top hair companies for curly hair that I would recommend. Listen, their curly hair be just giving me life. But this half wig, the way it's constructed, you guys are already probably seen it in the clip. It has an elastic band and it comes with an extra one in the package. It has adjustable straps, which I did not take advantage of, but you definitely can. And then it also has a drawstring in the back where you can tighten more with combs. Literally all you need. It's literally all you need. Now, with these half wigs, your hair is going to be out in the front.
Mommy! I want the iPhone tablet.
Okay, so like I was saying, your hair's gonna be left out in the front, but I love that, okay? Anything that makes whatever I'm wearing look the most natural, that's what I want. That's the stage I'm in right now. So, and it's super easy, you guys. Like, just twist your leave out. Just twist it. And y'all can see, my hair broke off, okay? I don't even know if I could say it's postpartum hair loss at this point because my baby is 2. But literally my hair has not recovered from that. So I have a lot of breakage and my curls are short and it's still blended in easily. Easily. Okay. So this is a manageable wig. It is very convenient, low maintenance. I'm going to be loving this wig this upcoming work week. Okay. Let's just say that. Okay. Now, so let's just get into how bouncy and just beautiful these curls are. Okay, so I did go in and use my Camille Rose Mousse on this hair and I just let it dry naturally. I didn't use a blow dry or anything like that. I really like how my curls come out when I don't use heat to dry it. So anyways, that's neither here or there. So I used that mousse to define the curls and it's just so freaking just juicy and bouncy. I can't get enough of how beautiful these curls look. I mean, I feel so cute. And I did trim this hair a little bit just because I needed this shape, okay? I needed this shape. I needed the frame around my face. Just a little bit, not a lot, because this hair, I believe, I think it was an 18. It's going to be, everything is going to be linked in the description box. So you guys just check there if you want the details to this specific wig and the link to this wig. So make sure you check there. Okay, so that's about it. It's very, look, what you see is what you get. Okay, so very self-explanatory. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye. It's cute hair?
Uh-huh.
Thank you, honey.
In a drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the vibe, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We ain't had shit yet. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a whore when you're not here. Not a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here.